More bamboo, February 15th, 2018. I just got this from AliExpress. These came direct from Hong Kong. I'm not sure exactly what kind they are because it's not really labeled. I got this to research this and find out what they are, but I noticed right away they're a very large looking seed. They're some of the largest I've gotten. They're kind of a little got a lot of leaf on them, kind of. But I started pulling them apart. First thing I noticed was one fell out had a hole in it, and then another one I plucked out had a hole in it, so I know those are no good. But then some of these I noticed do look really good. They're big and fat and kind of smooth and shiny. They don't look dried up or bad at all, and that's what you want. You want those good seeds. If one with a hole in it and it's no good is going to maybe have a fungus in it that takes down 3 or 4 other seeds in your bin. So I'm going to pick through these and shuck them all and keep all the best ones for germination, and try to find out what exactly they are, because I got about 3 sets of seeds coming from AliExpress. Wow, focus, focus, focus. There, look at the size of that one I just popped out. It is like double the size of those other ones. That is a great looking seed there. I have a lot of confidence in these seeds. I hope they work. They were sitting in the mailbox for a little while today. It was like 100 degrees in there, but hopefully it wasn't enough to hurt them. All right, here's my little trick for hulling or taking the shells off. And like I said, these are kind of leafy looking. They got a lot of, they look like little corn, little tiny ears of corn. They got so much husk on them. What I do is I grab them by the very bottom here, just with the tip of my finger. Now, you don't want to crush the seed or break the bottom off. Be very careful not to grab too much. But you just pinch that a little and wiggle it. The seed will then just slide right out of there, pop right out. And that one looks like it's got a little dry stuff on it or whatever. These are some nice looking seeds. Look how fat and round that is. It's not all dried up and caved in looking. Yeah, they need a little disinfectant wash. But that's how I shell them. And you just, take it by the end there. Very lightly, just pinch and wiggle it just a little bit. Don't want to break the bottom of the seed. We just want to pinch the hull. And then it just slides right out very easily. And you don't have to risk breaking the top off or snapping it in half trying to peel the hull off. Nice looking seed. Wow, this looks like a really fat one. I can feel it in there. It's just like, it feels like it's almost round. It's so big. These are some of the biggest, fattest seeds I've ever had. I hope that means they're really fresh and gonna sprout like crazy. You gotta get it to break loose there. Don't want to crush the bottom on my best seed I ever found. There it goes. Come on. You give her a little squeeze and a roll. Whoa, look at that thing. Look at the size of that. That is a nice looking seed there. Like a football.